Learn how to make orange frosting to make festive cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. I will show you 2 different ways to make beautiful shades of orange using gel food coloring. I love using the Americolor brand because you only use a few drops to create vibrant colors and it will not change the taste of the frosting, but use whichever gel food coloring you have available. You may just need to add more drops of food coloring. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Using 1 cup of your favorite white frosting, add 4 drops of orange gel food coloring. Mix together until all of the food coloring is completely mixed into the frosting. Letting the frosting sit overnight will help enhance the color. Using only orange gel food coloring will only make a light shade of orange. I added an additional 2 to 3 drops of orange gel food coloring to make this shade of orange. My preferred way to make orange frosting is using 1 cup of white frosting and adding 2 drops of red gel food coloring and 2 drops of yellow gel food coloring. Using red and yellow gel food coloring will help get a deeper shade of orange, which is perfect for fall desserts. Mix together until all of the food coloring is completely mixed into the frosting. Continue adding red and yellow gel food coloring until you are happy with the shade of orange. If you would only like to add a little color, use a toothpick and dip it into the gel food coloring. The toothpick allows you to only add a small amount of color to the frosting. Letting any colored frosting sit overnight will help enhance the shade, so it's best to make the frosting in advance. Learn how to make other colors of frosting or the frosting used in this video in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.